This week's theme has been all about clearing the soil. And I think a lot of people misunderstand what action actually looks like. When we hear the words action, we immediately think about doing more, adding more to our schedules, starting new projects, or pushing ourselves harder. But real momentum doesn't begin with doing more. Sometimes it begins with making space. Just like nothing grows well in crowded soil, our lives also struggle to grow when everything is piled on top of itself. Clutter in our homes, unfinished tasks lingering in the background, mental noise that never seems to quiet down. All of those things quietly drain our energy. This week, I slowed down long enough to notice what was actually in my way. Not the big dramatic obstacles we tend to imagine, but the small things. The drawer that needs organizing, the tasks that I keep postponing, the thought loops that keep replaying in my mind. And I realized something simple but powerful. Preparation creates momentum. When we clear space in our environment, we also clear space in our mind. When we close small, unfinished loops, we free up energy that was stuck. When we organize our surroundings, our nervous system begins to calm down. And suddenly, moving forward feels lighter. Seeds don't struggle when the soil is ready. They don't fight their way through chaos. They grow because the environment supports them. And the same thing happens in our lives. Growth becomes easier when we create the conditions for it. When we clear what no longer serves us. When we simplify. When we give ourselves room to breathe again. This week reminded me that action doesn't always look loud. Sometimes action looks just like organizing a room, finishing something small, letting go of something you've been holding on to, or simply creating the kind of space where your next step can finally take root. So as we move into this new season of action, before we rush to plant new seeds, take a moment to ask yourself, what needs to be cleared first? Because when the soil is ready, growth becomes inevitable. If this message resonates with you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more weekly workshops, reflections, and guided meditations. And if you'd like journaling tools and personal growth resources, you can visit my Gumroad shop linked below.